If we consider the cuboid or rectangular prism as shown in this diagram here, we can see the length of the sides, and we have 3 views defined. Looking at it from the front, looking at it from the side, and looking at it from above, known as the plan view. It should be relatively straightforward to draw what an observer would see from each of these views. So if you look from the front, you would see this rectangle. It would be 10 centimeters by 3 centimeters because you would see this edge and this edge. From the side, you would see this rectangle here, and therefore you'd be seeing a rectangle that's 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters. And from the top, you'd see this rectangle. And so you'd be looking at a rectangle that is 10 centimeters by 5 centimeters. We can apply this idea to more complex shapes. So for example, if we look at this group of bricks here, let's define this as the front, this is the side, and this is the plan. If we just looked from the front, we would see 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. And they'd be arranged like this. Sometimes people make these lines more bold, where this is in front of the shape. From the side, what would we see? We'd just see this sort of upside down T shape of blocks, like so. The plan view, we'd see the tops of all of these blocks. So it would be a T shape, like so. Again, sometimes these lines would be shown thicker, more in bold, to show that this one is above the others. In this section, we are going to look at the views of some common 3D solids.